Hello guys, I have this new toy
Called?
and I'm gonna don't forget to like and subscribe. This.
What does it say first?
They see the block magnet.
You're going to
Build.
build this
Build, ano?
using the blocks, and it has a lot of images.
So I build it.
For
So
example,
you put it here,
I will make.
the house.
first, get this one.
So this is from the start. Then how do I build? Oh, I need to build something. I cannot build the house. And hey,
Choose first. What are you going to build?
I'm gonna build something.
Dapat from here. Halimbawa, ito, this one. Yung para mountain. Look for it here. This is how it's going to build. So you need a
Red. Baliktad.
No.
here. So you have red. Where's the yellow or
Ako
orange?
orange talaga.
You put it side by side with red. Like here. There. So you have the roof. Then where's the green? You put the green here. Then you have the small purple here. The small purple. How is it positioned? Here. Like this.
And then
What's the other one? Green.
green.
Up. How it's positioned? There.
Blue.
Then
Blue.
up. No, this must be upside down. This part, because this is magnet.
And
And then
Build it.
last piece.
ooh, then show it to them.
Look, I shake it.
Magic.
One more.
One more.
Let's try to build.
May animals then.
No.
Kaya mo siya. Choose one.
Fish.
Let's try to.
Fish. I love fish.
What color? What's the color?
Daddy.
First is
Ito.
this one. You need yellow or orange. You build first the square here, like this. There. So you have the square, and then the nose. The nose says blue. Where's your blue? Here's the blue. You have
Red.
the head, and then the nose, and then the body. You need the this one, the square thing. Then other one, this one. You put it here. Up.
Don't look. That's magic.
Then this one. Where?
Dapat ito yung
How
light.
are you going to position that? Ganito, para side, pa side. Here. There. And then,
Can I feed?
Light.
ano yung fish na ginawa mo?
I think this is a boat.
Bye.
Bye. See you on the next